Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the iPad 2. Plug it in and confirm battery is at least 50%, or better, leave the charger attached. Back up your device to iCloud or to a computer with iTunes/Finder so you can restore if needed. Once backed up, free at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of storage by removing large files and apps you don't need. This prevents the update from failing. Now, go to Settings to start checking for available software updates. You'll open Settings, then General, and tap Software Update to let the iPad check Apple's servers. If an update appears, tap Download and Install. The iPad will verify and extract the update package, which can take several minutes. Make sure you are on a stable Wi-Fi network and keep the iPad connected to power so the download and install stages do not interrupt. If prompted, enter your passcode and agree to terms. The device will prepare to restart once the installation files are ready. You'll let the iPad restart. During this final phase, the screen may show an Apple logo and progress bar. Do not disconnect power or interrupt it. Once complete, sign back in and verify apps and settings. If the update fails, try downloading again. If repeated failures occur, connect the iPad to a computer and restore from your backup using iTunes or Finder. For stubborn problems, freeing additional storage or performing a DFU restore resolves most issues. Just remember DFU erases data, so restore from the backup you created earlier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.